We guide you through how to set default font in Microsoft Outlook. So, starting by opening Outlook and clicking on File in the top left corner. Then, select Options from the menu, after which you'll go to the Mail tab and click on Stationery and Fonts. Here, you can choose your preferred font for new emails, replying or forwarding messages, and even plain text emails. Just select your desired font, size, style, and color, then hit OK to save changes. Return to the Options window and click OK again to confirm, and now every new email you compose or reply will automatically use your chosen font, ensuring a consistent professional look. And that's all it takes to set your default font in Microsoft Outlook in seconds.